Hi everyone, here we are again. Thanks for watching the series. I'm hoping that some of you or everybody of you has gained some more knowledge, some more insights regarding the topics we have presented. I was happy, or I am happy to be a part of it, or that I was part of it, and I'm looking forward to do this next year again. And wishing you a nice Christmas and a happy New Year. And now I'm handing over to Nikita.
Thank you. I'm very excited to be the part of the Advert calendar. I've learned so many new things. I have connected with many people and gained unforgettable memories. Thank you, everyone, and have a good New Year and Merry Christmas. Marius, I'm giving you the word.
Thanks, Nikita. Merry Christmas from my side as well. I had a lot of fun, not only preparing the scenario we had, but also listening to the others because, like, I don't know, there are so many topics that I wouldn't research myself that actively. And for example, the Copilot agents. I just learned there's something that I usually would have just skipped, and it's nice to be on top of things. And yeah, with this group, I always learn something new. So it was great fun. I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And then over to you, Ambesh.
Thank you so much, Marius. Big applause to the Power Platform Advent Calendar Series viewers. Your engagement fueled our success, to be honest. We trust the series sparked a new insight and kept you on the edge of your seat, eagerly awaiting your presence in our future digital adventures. So you can reach out to any one of us if you want to join the Power Collab and some other initiatives. Keep the curiosity flame burning. Can't wait to see you for the next digital journey. Keep the learning vibes alive. We hope you found the informative and engaging content within that. I learned a lot, to be honest, from my side and personally, and I'm pretty sure it make a value to you as well. Looking forward for your continued participation. We also have a message from Bluent and Benedict, who is unfortunately not available today with us, but they will give us the message. And also from Zerkan, Sachin, and Shweta, there was a warm and great holiday greetings to all of you. They are again not unfortunately with us today because of their commitments, but find the links below, watch their sessions, and provide your feedbacks also. So let me play the message from Bluent and the Benedict.
This was an exciting series. 24 days, we've seen so many things, and I have so many things learned. I'm Copilot Studio guy, but I've also learned about all the other technologies. I was very happy to be part of that. So thank you.
So it was my great pleasure to be here, to be a part of the Power Platform Advent Calendar. I really enjoyed the different sessions and collaborating with the other participants. Wishing you and your loved ones and your families all the best for the holiday season. Enjoy your Christmas break and see you next year. And looking forward to many exciting Power Platform things coming up next year.
Thank you again, everyone, and wish you a great Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Bye.